Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'll open this up and show you guys. It is a 6-pack. Look at all this 6-pack of little doggy blankets that I got from my little doggy, who happens to be outside now, but I'll show you guys the blankets and what they look like. And we will do a little test later and see if she likes them, but they come wrapped up like this. How cute is that? In a little paper wrapping, and it says it's 60 by 70 centimeters. So I'll show you guys what 60 by 70 centimeters looks like this. So it looks like it's about 2 feet by, I don't know, 18 inches or something. So this is what it looks like here. So it's super cute. So it's a little soft little blanket. So I'm going to give this to her and let her play around with it. This will be her little play blankets, these ones here, so she doesn't mess with any of the stuff in my house. So it comes with this one here. We've got all these different colors here. We have I guess a red based one, a blue one. I don't know what color this even is. This one looks like maybe gray and black. So we've got all these. These are cute. They'd be good little gifts if you want to give them to people who get puppies and stuff. But I'm using all these, so this is it. Thumbs up. I like it.